Today I am here at the RHA School to take part in a life drawing class, a nude life drawing class to be precise. Be warned, there will be body parts. Life drawing means the drawing of the human figure by observing a live living model, usually in the nude. The main thing I'm worried about is if I start giggling and laughing, because I don't think anyone else is going to, because they're so used to it. So hopefully I'll be calm and normal. If you go to an art college, you'll almost certainly be involved in one of these classes.
Let's start from the warm-up. So each pose is between 3 to 5 minutes. That's okay, Eddie. Starting now. Okay, change the pose.
They say you should learn to draw what you see. Seems simple and obvious, but believe me, it's way harder than it sounds.
Comes out to the knee, to the joint, to the heel.
The tutor had some great tips. One tip she told me was to not focus on the outline of the body, but the inside. So why do they have to be nude? The answer is, clothes are not alive. The nude living form of a real person has its own energy. You get over the nudiness pretty quickly. Before long, you'll find yourself looking at blocks and shapes and lines instead of body parts. Hi Geraldine.
Hi Susie.
I really love your picture.
Thanks.
So this is my first time doing the life drawing class. So I was worried I was going to start giggling the whole time.
Yeah, there definitely is the fear of the giggles. I think maybe people are a little bit embarrassed and we're kind of grown up to hide. Actually, it's really positive doing life drawing. You realise like it's nothing to be embarrassed about or ashamed of or anything like that. It's just so natural and should be embraced and celebrated.
May I present my lovely picture? I used the techniques that the tutor taught me. I used the green to show the muscles and the red to show the joints or the bones, and then we outline it and shadow it with the black charcoal. And this is my first time using charcoal, and I think I did pretty okay. I definitely think it's something that needs to be practiced, and I can already see what the benefits of drawing from life are.